Spoken English, day 135. Use of must have, verb used in third form. He must have learned writing English. He must not have learned writing English. Must he have learned writing English? What must he have learned writing English? He must have learned reading English. He must not have learned reading English. Must he have learned reading English? What must he have learned reading English? He must have learned understanding English. He must not have learned understanding English. Must he have learned understanding English? What must he have learned understanding English? He must have learned speaking English. He must not have learned speaking English. Must he have learned speaking English? What must he have learned speaking English? She must have learned writing English. She must not have learned writing English. Must she have learned writing English? What must she have learned writing English? If somebody, some person, some student, some boy, or some difficulties, some problem, just time question. If you are good feel my video, you did like, subscribe, comment, share. At that's all.